So what we're going to do now is install NodeJS, which is fairly easy to do. We just need to run a bunch of commands, which I'll also leave down in the description below. So it's just gonna be pretty much copying what I'm doing. I will show you two methods, the nvm node version manager and the ppa personal package archive method. The one I'm actually gonna run is the nvm, because it's very customizable. You can install any node version you'd like. First we're just gonna update everything by running that command. Okay, that's done. Now we're just gonna install the build essential and the libssl dev. Oh wait, just remove the s. We don't want the s in there. Okay, so it's not going to be the same with you for you. You're going to have to write a big Y, but because I've already installed the packages earlier, we don't need to do that anymore. You're just going to write a big Y or a capital Y and just click enter. Okay, so the command we're going to run is actually taken off another page, which is going to be the GitHub. And you want to scroll down till you see this one. Just copy the URL and paste it in, and we'll run the script. So now we need to access the script, or access the nvm. What we're gonna write is source, and then add this squiggly line. I'm not sure what it's called actually, and then just slash, and then I think it's dot profile. And now we should have access to the nvm. We can check by doing nvm minus version, and then if we go back to the GitHub, let me just go back, you will see that this is version 0.33.11, which matches up with our version, so it's installed correctly. So now what we can do is get the last version of Node, which you can do by going to nodejs.org. I usually just check for which is the latest recommended for most users version. I think it's a stable version. It's 8.12.0. so what we're going to type is nvm install 8.12.0, and because I've already installed it, it's going to say already installed, but for you it's going to install it. And if you want to check if it's installed, just type node version and you'll see the version you've just installed. So now we have this second method. I'm not going to run it because I've already installed Node.js. So for the personal package archive, you're just going to run two commands. Might be quicker, but it's less customizable. You're going to write this one, and then after you're going to write apt-get install Node.js. And if you want another version, this is for version 8. You can just change it to 7, 8, 9, 10. There's no 11, so don't bother with 11. You're just going to write these two commands, and it will install Node as well. For this method, same thing, just write Node version to check if it's installed correctly.